Good morning everyone. I am Roma Sareen and I would like to take the opportunity to welcome our Director Sir, Management Committee, my staff members, dear students and my dear parents. It's 26th January today, the historical day to remember our national heroes and freedom fighters who suffered to give us a republic nation. We keep moving forward, opening new doors and doing new things because curious and a curiosity keeps leading us down the path. We are gathered here to celebrate our 72nd Republic Day and kindle the patriotical festival. On the behalf of our GGAsians, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Now, I request our Director Sir to kindly hoist the national flag to mark the occasion.
Now request our Director Sir to kindly enlighten the young minds with your enriching words.
Good morning all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all, our dear parents, my dear students and staff members of on 72nd Republic Day of our country. We have heroes who have written our constitution, perhaps one of the biggest constitution in the world. After the amendment of the constitution, we became a Republic of India and the day was 26 January 1950. 26 January was decided to have the Republic Day because on this day of year 1930, Indian National Congress proclaimed the agenda of Poon Swaraj. Our constitution gives us various rights and responsibilities too. We live in democratic country where people enjoy the rights of fundamental. India is a land which is example of university in diversity. The beauty of our country is we have different languages, caste, culture, and we have also conflicts and differences in our views. But on national festivals, we all stand as a united force. Without taking much time, I again wish all of you a very happy Republic Day. हमारा गणतंत्र अमर रहे. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Thank you sir for your enriching words. Since childhood, 26 January has been a memorable day for all of us. Many of us may recall this day as a festival and celebrate it in schools by participating in cultural programs and in other activities. For a few of us, this is the day we get up to watch the Republic Day parade. The military parade that starts from Vijay Chowk and culminates at the Red Fort in the national capital, Delhi. The weapons and the equipment that the army shows in the parade reflect the power of our armed forces. In our school, we believe in reinforcing in each student the pride in our rich heritage, values and ideals in the form of these celebrations. Let's start the function. The stage is all set to unfold a celebration of wisdom, patriotism and energy to showcase their talent through their beautiful performances. Our students have prepared a beautiful dance. Now it's time to call them on the stage.
भारत अनोखा राग है। सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग है।
सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग है। ये प्यार का संगीत है।
ये शांति का गीत है, ये एकता का राग है। भारत अनोखा राग है। सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग है। अनोखा राग इस देश की रीत एक है धड़कने एक ताल में।
सुर अंगिनत गीत एक है। ये देश सबका देश
सबका ऐसा राग है। सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग है। भारत अनोखा राग है। प्रभु रूप में अनुराग है। सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग है। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय जय हिंद, जय
Wonderful performance. Now it's time to contribute to our colorful song prepared by our students. We have another performance. Our student will perform the dance.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
One another performance is left here. A speech prepared by our student.
A nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. All of us are gathered here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our country. So a very auspicious morning to respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers and all my dear schoolmates. I, Simran Standard 9th A, a student of GGS Public School, is standing here to express my feelings on Republic Day. Here, I would like to thank my class teacher for giving me an opportunity to speak about Republic Day. Republic Day is a very important and very special occasion for India and for citizens of India. India celebrates Republic Day every year on 26 January with lots of preparation. India is celebrating its 72nd Republic Day on the commemoration of a historic moment when India's constitution came into start on 26 January 1950, an occasion that completed the country's long required change toward becoming an independent republic country. In India, Republic Day is not less than a festival. The whole country, regardless of caste, creed, religion, beams with joy. On this day, the entire country is lax in tricolor to convey that India is a nation where diversity is in unity. Is celebrated. Republic Day reminds us of our struggle, how the Indian National Congress, with the help of youth, achieves a demand of Purna Swaraj. On this day, before starting the celebration, our chief guest of the Republic Day hosts the national flag of India. Then we all stand up to salute our national flag and sing our national anthem, which is written by a great poet, Rabindranath Tagore. On Republic Day, there is a big arrangement take place by the government of India in New Delhi at the Rajpath in front of the India Gate. Every year, the Prime Minister of India is the chief guest for hosting the Indian flag at Rajpath. The army, military and all forces take part in the parade to show the culture and tradition of India. We also invite a chief guest from another country. This show our tradition of Atithi Devo Bhava. So today, let us salute our nation by freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories in our soul. So thank you and have a nice day.
We have another performance. Our student will perform the dance.
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। छंदे से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम दिन ये घर सुना सुना है। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
कंधों से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम बढ़ते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। ओ थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की, मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बराई सी मस्त भवन की, थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 सांसें, जिनमें हो जुनून वो बूंदें लाल लहू की। ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, और मोहित रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहित रंग दे बसंती। झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, सलाम इंडिया।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है।
मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती। मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती।
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। हे वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे। भूल क्या चीज है तेरे कदमों में, हम बेटे अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे। है वतन मैं वतन।
So we have seen the wonderful performance given by our students. Now I would like to say something, that we are extremely honored to have yet another chance to address you in this prestigious moment when GGS School celebrates Republic Day. Today we as the country is still facing a lot of problems: corruption, crime, caste, politics, terrorism and more. Is this the dream our freedom fighter has seen? I think no. Today on 72nd Republic Day, let us dream again of the free, fair and happy nation. We have talent, people and hope. There is only the need to get together and see this one dream again. There is nothing impossible for our country if we forget our differences and come together as a nation. Let's make India great again. Also hoping a India free from the deadly virus. Hope the country will soon get its charm and happiness in terms of health. On that note, allow me to thank you, our Director Sir, Mr. Manoj Dhamija ji, for giving me this excellent opportunity to speak about my beloved country. And thank you all for listening to Thought. Have a beautiful day ahead. Jai Hind.